Strawberry season is not too far away. They're already here. They've been hiding out. My goodness. Alright. You're not going to see me for another half hour. The curly variety. Dinosaur kale, Tuscan kale. Doesn't look like much now, but it will. Lots of basil this year. Personal favorites, bok choy. I guess there's okra. Wow, look at that corn.
To that part.
Yep. Lots of greens. I believe, but it might be turnips. Let's go investigate. Yeah, those are the turnips that got me last time. Look how similar those leaves are. Nice. And over here, we have radishes. I believe of the daikon variety. Looks like these are those Bravo radishes. Nice big red, purple. Ooh, do we know what this is? It's carrots. Did you see some carrots growing in the other field too, Si? Lots and lots of carrots. No, you gotta let them grow. Hey. Lots and lots of carrots. Honey, baby cow. Tokyo bee, which is a Asian cabbage, and lots of tatsoi, also known as Asian spinach. It's a low oxalate variety. I really love this stuff. There's more radishes. Now these leaves look like radishes.